All right, previously when we walked into this bathroom, the toilet used to be right here, which was super awkward. So we suggested to our clients when someone walks in, a vanity should be here. It was hard for our clients to conceptualize how that would look like. So we offered a 3D design to showcase the kind of how things would look like. So previously there was actually a closet from the outside. So the closet kind of protruded in up to about here. That's why there was an awkward space for a toilet, and the vanity used to be on the other side. So what we did is we're making sure the vanity goes in here. We flushed out the walls, we reframed the walls, we ran new plumbing lines, the drain lines, we added new electrical outlet for his and hers. We have new vanity light. We also have an LED mirror, which is going to be fogless. So when you have a steamy shower and if you want to shave or if you want to put makeup on, the mirrors stay nice and clean. In addition to that, where the toilet area is, we've added outlets for bidets or electrical toilets. And we're actually converting the bathtub into a stand-in shower as well. So there's a lot of moving pieces and moving components. We are on a strict timeline. The owners or the client's daughter is actually out of town. So they said, we need to get this done before the daughter gets in. So we are on track with the timeline, and we are working as hard and fast as possible. When we work fast, there's this negative word, the quality goes down. We make sure the quality is up to standard. It meets our company standards, which meets our customer satisfaction. So we always make sure that that quality never goes down with us. And that's why you need to have a hands-on team who evaluates and makes sure that each phase is completed correctly to code and again to your company standards. So when you are in the middle of researching for a team to do your kitchen remodel or bathroom remodel or any kind of construction, ask them the steps, ask them how they're planning to meet their deadlines or the different construction phases and timelines. If you have a good team, they will break it down in simple terms so you understand. That way you feel assurance that they can get the job done. So if you want to see more, know more, or learn more, follow our social media channels. My name is Jojo with the SOJO team.